This year, we are going to learn many new concepts and skills in math. Students will develop a number sense for whole numbers from 0 to 99. They will master solving addition and subtraction problems using single digits. I will teach the concept of time, and children will learn how to read different clocks at the hour and half-hour marks. Students will learn to apply the concept of time to read and understand calendars. I will show the students how to measure with non-standard units. They will be expected to measure things like length with objects such as paper clips or markers. By the end of the year, students will know how to collect and display data using line plots and tally marks. Students will develop skills to create and extend patterns as well. We will also cover other units on basic geometric shapes and how to sort and classify different objects. These students are going to love learning about these math topics without even realizing that they are becoming better mathematicians every day. I hope you enjoyed the overview video for math in the first grade. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to contact me. Thank you!